from the designer. Just to recap, the designer is proposing to use this existing valve with spectacle blinds. So they will remove these spectacle blinds, and then they will have the extension of this piping, and then they will tap just outlet of PCB 1001. And I'm very sure you know it, but it is my duty to just explain. This blowdown is not for emergency purpose. This is only for maintenance, inspection, and draining for residues of the bullet. So this is the controlled activity and planned activity, and this is the highly, controlled. You may use permit to work system. I do not know. You may use Lotto system. I do not know, but we will take one recommendation to define the SOP, and this SOP has to be approved by operation team. Okay, so guys, I believe now we have almost complete information to run our brainstorming for the HAZOP. This sheet I was explaining that this is the PHA Pro software we are using to take the dictation of the entire brainstorming, and this risk matrix has been calibrated as per the company matrix. So what we are going to do, we will take the help of all the guide words and the deviations, and we will run our session one by one. So now let us start with first guide word or deviation, no or less flow. If you see here, I will have two options here. Since this is the planned activity, so the operator has to open the valve after ensuring that entire liquid has been blown down, has been removed from this proposed tank to other bullet, and after that, this valve will be opened, and there are many valves. This is the main valve. There is a block and bleed, and after that, it will come here 12044 valve, and then we have RO, then we have downstream two valves. So if any valve in the series remains closed or inadvertent closed due to human error, so there is no blowdown. Ultimately, the consequence is there is a delayed blowdown, and this will impact our maintenance, not operation. So what is your opinion? I will say that you say any manual valve in the blowdown line remains closed, human error. This is one of the cause. Second cause, RO. So Kedar, what is the size of RO? Any 5 mm, 10 mm, 20 mm, 30 mm? What is the size of RO you are proposing?
Actually, RO is a preliminary calculated, it should be around 7 mm.
7 mm.
But
Okay.
but it will not more than like a standard plate as a 10 mm.
Okay. Now I have a question. Is there any possibility this 7 mm can get blocked with debris, corrosion debris?
We can say there is no possibility of mostly the debris, but before to choke the RO, there are some different walls also. So
Okay.
as you
Now
said,